Hello, welcome back on my channel Sheet Metal Workshop, and I'm here at Swage Machines and I'm presenting here the RSM rounding machines made by Swage. Now this is a machine for making pipes for the cladding for insulation. Okay, first what I want to explain here more about this machine. So it can do several diameters also of different types of materials. So it goes up to 1 millimeter and stainless steel goes up to 0.8 millimeter. It's possible to change the swages, so that you have numbers of swages that comes also with the machine. I have here, for example, already got here some swaging wheels for the machine. There will be later on also how to change it. I will show you how to change those wheels. Now first I want to here explain. So here we have this wheel you can spin, and by spinning the wheel you can change the diameter. Now of course we have here another button. That's the button when you go with the metal in front and maybe something happens, you're not happy with the diameter, you just put the button and the metal reverses, comes out. Now there's also a speed button to adjustment the speed, how quick you want to round it, and we have here a button where I put on the machine, and we have here a foot pedal for going with the machine. Now we have here also two adjustments wheels where I can adjust the deepness of the swages, so how deep you want to swage or not. Okay, well that is what I wanted to explain first about the machine, and let's have a test. So I'm going to round here. This is a Think 0.6, so I'm going to round it. This is diameter 100, and I have here the possibility to put in side swages. So I'm going to put here two side swages for both sides, so you can turn the meter if you want, the pipe if you want to fit it. So here you can see the swager, and now we're going to do the other side. Okay, now the rounding comes. And there it is. 1 meter done, diameter 100. Ready to fit. Now the next one is diameter 150. So I'm gonna spin on the right position. So this should be the right position of it. And again, swaging. So if you have a lot of these metals here on the table, you just go in production. And there it is, second meter, and of course we have also a bigger one, diameter 200. And as you can see here, the pipe diameter 200, also with female swage and male swage. Okay, well these are those pipes just for an example. And now, next thing what I'm going to explain is when you want to have a back swage of 50 millimeter, we have to change those wheels, and that's the next thing what we are going to do. Okay, now it's time to change the wheels. Therefore you need an Allen key. This Allen key comes also with the machine. And before we change those wheels, I'm going to put down here the roller from the back. I'm going to put it down. So So I have enough space and room, and now I'm gonna use here this Allen key, and there are here 2 screws, so I'm gonna put out those screws. So that's one, and now we go the under one, there's under. Oh. Okay, so that's part one, and the second part is now we're going to put in. Okay, now we take here this wheel, the under wheel, and we have here, as you can see here, this rounding thing, and we're going to put first in here the one without the hole, so this one, and this one comes like this. Oh, wait a minute, I think. Oh, backwards, we go in a different direction. So once it's in, it's safe, and now I can put in the other one. And done. Okay, so next what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna set up now the diameter of 350 millimeter. That should be it. Now you can also make the swage on a normal swage machine. So normally when I do production, this is only a possibility to swage on this machine, but it's of course easier when you have a swage machine besides, where you roll it through. And there it is, 50 millimeter rounded, a swage, back swager, 350 millimeter diameter. So everything is possible. Extra machine for making pipelines, for the cladding for insulation, Swage machine, the RSM. Well, thank you for watching the video, and if there is anything else you want to know, go in the video description. There's a link directly going to Swage. There you can have all the information you need. Thank you for watching, and don't forget, thumb up, and see you next time.